surprise.
Oh, I gotta watch the vlog.
Every dish is a surprise. Hello everyone. Look at all our ingredients. There's a lot going on over here. I am having or creating something using potatoes. This is boiled potatoes. I boil it until it's really soft. And then we have green onions, ground pork. I'm going to saute this using just garlic. Lots of garlic. I don't want to put onions on this one. So, where was I? Green onion, ground pork. I have bacon bits. I wanted to put real bacon, but I don't have some, so I'll just use this one. This is real bacon too though, but it's not fresh. And then grated cheese. There's two different kind of cheese on this one. There's also, I added Parmesan, and this one is just the I can't remember what kind of cheese. All I know is delicious cheese, but this one doesn't have Parmesan. And then milk. I have 1.5 cups 1.5 cups of milk. Flour, about a cup. That's sour cream, and of course that's garlic, butter, and all our seasoning, and olive oil. For the seasoning, we have the onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and chicken bouillon. So the first thing I'm going to do is mash this one and add the flour. That's what I'm going to do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. We have a different introduction today because I just want to get with our ingredients because there's so much over here. So I moved some already over there so we can work on this side right here with our boiled potatoes. So how is everybody doing today? Me hungry. You're probably wondering why I'm always hungry. I love to eat, guys. I love to cook and I love to eat. Only I love to eat my food. Well, I like to go out every now and then. So, but anyway, what I need to do with this potato, this is Yukon Gold, guys. I only like using Yukon Gold. It's a little bit pricey compared to the other potatoes, but they taste better. It's worth it. Worth it to use Yukon Gold. So I'm just going to mash it, and the texture of the Yukon Gold is way better than those regular white potatoes, the big one. Those one is kind of grainy, so that's, I guess that's the texture I don't like, the grainy texture. This one is like gumagayaga. I don't know what that is in English. I guess the Kapampangan people knows what gumagayaga means. You know, like the taro or the gabi. you know, when you boil it or when you cook it, it's like that. I guess you can say like sticky texture. So mash it. Make sure that everything is mashed really well. Then I'm going to season it with salt, pepper, I wish I have white pepper because it looks better, and chicken powder, garlic powder, and onion powder. Then I'm going to add flour, I'm gonna get gloves, guys, because I need to use hands to mix this. The only thing I don't like wearing gloves is it's keep coming off. So we're going to set this aside so we can saute our ground pork. So guys, I did not put olive oil on this pork. That's just the fat that came out from the pork, ground pork. So I'm going to move aside so I can saute the garlic. My goodness, that smells so good. I'm gonna lower the heat. And then I'm going to season it. And the green onions. So when I remove the ground pork, guys, from this pan, I'm not washing the pan so I can get all the flavor when we make our cheese sauce or white sauce. And that's it for our ground pork. I am now frying our potato. I'm just going to finish pan frying our mashed potato, guys. And here's our last batch, guys. And here's the first batch. I need to add one more here. I'm going to make the sauce, guys. Butter, a little bit of flour, milk, a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm going to add the sour cream. And then the cheese. And that's it for our white sauce, guys. And now these are the potatoes that I wanted to cook in the oven, because the rest, it cannot fit on our pan, so I can only put 6. I'm going to put some of the ground pork. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure that there's some ground pork on top of the potato pancake. Anyway, our ground pork is not enough for all the potato pancakes anyway. So I'll make that other potato pancake side dish later on. And then I'm going to put cheese on top. We are going to bake this until the cheese are melted. It looks good. Oh my goodness. And here's our white cheese sauce. So I am going to get 2 pieces and put it on top of our white sauce. And then I'm going to put bacon bits. And then the green onions. Wow. Can't wait to taste that. So guys, I tasted this one without the sauce or the ground pork. My goodness, by itself it tastes so good. So this is gonna go well with like a side dish. So because I tried it already, because I was so excited. Which one you prefer, this one or this one? So let us start tasting it. Again, I will taste this one first. I did already, but I want a little bit more. It's crunchy outside and it's soft and chewy inside. Just by itself is already really good. So that's gonna be a good side dish. So let's try the one with the ground pork and the cheese and the sauce. That's good. I cannot choose which one I like better because they're both so good. That's really good with chicken. The chicken that I cooked from my rotisserie, the side dish. Maybe tomorrow I'll make some rotisserie chicken for that one. Because I know we're gonna finish this tonight and for lunch. 2 for Chris here and 1 each for lunch. I'll finish this one. So for tomorrow, rotisserie. I hope this is still good for tomorrow. The texture is so good, guys. I'll show you. See? It looks crunchy outside and soft inside. See how beautiful the inside? I could probably finish this whole thing by myself. But anyway, guys, I'm so excited to finish my dinner. So I have to say bye. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye for now.